Hey everyone, in this video I'll be going over a few methods to fix your Marvel Rivals from crashing. Now the first method, you want to go to your Steam library, you want to find Marvel Rivals, right click it, go to properties, and under launch options you want to type in TAC DX12. Now once you do that, you want to close out of the tab and you want to launch Marvel Rivals. Now, if your game is still crashing, what you can do is go back to Properties, go under Installed Files, and you want to click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Once that's finished loading, simply open up the Marvel Rivals application again, and it should be fixed. If the game is still crashing, now what you want to do is go under Browse, and you want to scroll down until you find the Marvel Rivals launcher. And right-click it, click on Properties, and then under Compatibility, you want to check the Run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8, and you also want to run this program as an administrator. Click on Apply, click on OK, and once again, launch Marvel Rivals. Now, if that doesn't work, what you want to do is you want to go to your graphics card drivers and make sure that that's updated. So for NVIDIA users, what you can do is open the NVIDIA app, go under drivers, and make sure to click on update if you have an update available. As you can see, there's actually a recent update for Marvel Rivals, which fixed some of the issues with it. And if that still doesn't work, what you can do is make sure that you have the latest Windows version. Now, if you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. Thanks for watching.